Welcome students, this is fifth part of important MCQs of physics. First question is 1 electron volt is equal to how many joules? It is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule. 1 gigahertz corresponds to 109 hertz. 1 millimeter corresponds to 10 raised to minus 3 meter. 1 volt is equal to 1 joule per 1 coulomb. CGS unit of velocity is cm per second. If the length of cube is 2 centimeter, its volume will be 8 centimeter cube. If the length of blackboard is 50 centimeter, here 50 is the magnitude. If the reading of thickness of metal plate are 1.612 centimeter, 1.611 centimeter, 1.613 centimeter, 1.612 centimeter respectively, then the average reading will be 1.612 centimeter. In CGS system of units, length, mass and time are measured in respectively centimeter, gram and second. In FPS system, units of length, mass and time are measured in respectively foot, pound and second. Light year is a unit of distance. The dimension of refractive index has no direct dimensions. Question number 13. Dimension of work is L raised to 1, M raised to 1 and T raised to minus 2. The dimension formula for length is L raised to 1, M raised to O and T raised to 0. The formula of percentage error is relative error into 100 is equal to average absolute error upon mean reading into 100. The instrument which is used for measurement of temperature, it is thermometer. The joule per second is also known as watt. The length of compass box measured by 5 students are 20.5, 20.6, 20.6, 20.7, 20.5 respectively. Then the average reading will be 20.6 centimeter. The length of table, it is measured by 2 students are 90.5 centimeter and 90.4 centimeter. The error involved in the measurement is called as 0.1 centimeter. The minimum error in current measurement between 0 to 1 ampere is given by 0 ampere. The number of significant figure in 0.0703 are 3. The number of significant figure in 12.600 are 5. The number of significant figure in 40.0 is 3. In question number 24, the number of significant figure in number 2.3500 are 5. Question number 25, the ratio of average absolute error to mean reading, it is called as relative error. The SI unit of electric current is ampere, while SI unit of magnetic flux is Weber. The SI unit of magnetic intensity is ampere per meter. The speed of 20 km per hour is equal to 5.6 centimeter per second. The standard unit should be invariable or universally accepted. The unit of area in MK system is square meter. The unit of force in SI system is Newton. The unit of plane angle is radian. The unit used to measure derived quantities, it is called as derived unit. Then some questions, important questions from second chapter, electricity, magnetism and semiconductors. Silicon is a type of semiconductor material. N type of impurity, it is called as acceptor impurity. A forward bias PN junction diode just starts to conduct if applied voltage is equal to the barrier potential. The pentavalent atom contain 5 numbers of electron in its valence shell. A p type of semiconductor is formed by adding tetravalent impurity. A semiconductor, it is formed by covalent bond. According to Coulomb's law, the force between two charges separated by a distance, it is directly proportional to the product of their magnitudes. According to energy band theory, for an insulator, the energy gap is very wide, that means more than 5.5 electron volt. According to band theory, in a conductor, there is the valence band and conduction band overlaps. Then question number 10. According to energy band theory, the material in which valence band and conduction band overlaps, they are called as conductor. According to Ohm's law, the current flowing through the conductor increases with increase in potential difference. According to Ohm's law, when the physical condition of conductor remains constant, the electric current is directly proportional to PD, that means potential difference. As the temperature of semiconductor increases, its conductivity also increases. Question number 14. By adding dash type of impurity, semiconductor material becomes N-type. By adding pentavalent impurities, semiconductor becomes N-type. By adding trivalent impurities, semiconductor becomes P-type. The current voltage graph of ohmic device is straight line graph. Electric intensity is a vector quantity. Electric lines of force are always normal. Energy gap for germanium is 0.7 electron volt. The energy gap of silicon is 1.12 electron volt. For a given material, energy gap between valence band and conduction band is about 1 electron volt. Material is said to be semiconductor material. For a given material, forbidden energy gap is very large. Material is said to be insulator. Then question number 23. If the positive and negative terminals of battery are connected to N-type and P-type semiconductor respectively, the diode is said to be reverse bias. If the radius of a wire is double, then its resistance decreases. It becomes 1/4 times. If the voltage of 0.4 volt is applied across SI diode, it will act as a closed switch. If three resistors R1, R2 and R3 are connected in parallel to each other, then its equivalent resistance is given by Rp is equal to R1 plus R2, R1, R2, R3 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. In case of forward bias PN junction diode, the current flowing through the diode, if the applied voltage is beyond the knee voltage of diode, it increases. In case of forward bias PN junction diode, the resistance is 0. In case of reverse bias PN junction diode, the resistance is high. In case of reverse bias PN junction diode, when the applied voltage becomes equal to breakdown voltage, the current increases rapidly. In forward bias PN junction diode, electron and holes are pair generated. In N-type semiconductor, electrons are the majority carriers and holes are the minority carriers. In N-type of semiconductor, electrons are majority carrier and holes are minority carriers. In N-type semiconductors, electrons are majority and holes are minority carriers. In P-type semiconductor, electrons are minority and holes are majority carriers. In unbiased PN junction diode, once the depletion layer is formed, the electrons and holes recombined. Intrinsic semiconductor belongs to group 4 of periodic table. Magnetic lines of forces are not affected by paper, glass or plastic material. Photodiode is an application of PN junction diode. Siemens per meter is the unit of electric conductivity. Then question number 40. The barrier potential of PN junction diode, it depends upon all the factors, that means type of semiconductor material, amount of doping, temperature. The electric constant of air and vacuum is same. The electric intensity at a point 50 centimeter from a charge of 3.2 microcoulomb in a medium of dielectric constant 2 is equal to 0.576 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per coulomb. The electric lines of force are travel in a straight line and parallel to each other in electric field. The electricity developed on a body when it is rubbed with another body, it is called as frictional electricity. The energy band possessed by free electrons, it is called as valence band. The energy gap between valence band and conduction band, it is called as forbidden energy gap. The equation of Ohm's law is R is equal to V upon I, or V is equal to Ri. The flow of electric charge per unit time, it is called as current. The forbidden energy gap of silicon is 0.3 electron volt. Then question number 50. The force acting on unit positive charge in an electric field, it is called as electric intensity. The force between two long parallel conductor is inversely proportional to distance between them. The force of attraction between two charges of 30, 10, 6 Celsius into and 50, 10, 6 Celsius are separated by 1 meter distance, it is 13.5 Newton. The dielectric constant of the medium is 1. The formula of percentage error is relative error into 100. The forward bias PN junction diode, it is act as zero resistance or conducts. The GE diode starts to conduct at 0.7 volt. The tangent drawn to the curved part of magnetic lines of forces given the direction of magnetic field at that point. The value of forward voltage above which forward current increases rapidly, it is called as knee voltage. The voltage at which diode breaks down, it is called as breakdown voltage. To obtain maximum resistance in the given resistor should be connected in series. Then question number 60. Two charges of 10C and 80C are separated by a distance of 100 centimeter in air. The force between them is 72 into 10 raised to 11 Newton. When pentavalent impurity is added to an intrinsic semiconductor, it forms N-type semiconductor. When a bar magnet is separated freely in air, it always points towards north-south direction. When N-type semiconductor is connected to negative terminal and P-type semiconductor is connected to positive terminal, then the diode is said to be forward bias. When number of resistors are connected in series, then the effective resistance of its combination is increases. When resistors are connected in parallel combination, its equivalent resistance decreases. In question number 66, when the temperature of semiconductor is increased, the number of free electrons in the conduction band will conduct. When two charges of 20 coulomb and 40 coulomb are kept in a medium of dielectric constant 2 is separated by 1.5 meter apart, then according to Coulomb's law, the force between the two charges will be 16 into 10 raised to 11 Newton. When two equal and like charges of 1 coulomb each is separated by 1 meter distance placed in air, then the force between them is 1 Newton. When two resistors are connected in series, their equivalent resistance is 100 ohm, and when they are connected in parallel to each other, its value is 24 ohm. Then two resistance are R1 is equal to 60 and R2 is equal to 40 ohm. Then which of the following is not property of magnetic line force? You have to read all the properties of magnetic lines force, and which is not included, that you have to find out. When two resistors of 100 ohm and 200 ohm are connected in series, then their combination is connected in parallel with 300 ohm resistance. Then the equivalent resistance of combination will be 150 ohm. Which of the following figure represent energy band diagram for conductor? Student, see diagram carefully. What is the diagram of energy band for a conductor? Also for energy band diagram for semiconductor, you have to identify which of the following is a semiconductor. Silicon is semiconductor. Which of the following is an application of PN junction diode? Photodiode is a PN junction diode. Which of the following is example of an insulator? Paper, mica and plastic are the insulators. Which of the following is not the property of magnetic lines of force? Magnetic lines of force intersect to each other. It is not a property. Then from unit 3, some questions are. Question number 1 from unit 3 is copper. It is example of conductor. A certain mass of gas occupies 40 cc at 27 degrees Celsius. Find its volume at 57 degrees Celsius. If pressure is constant, its volume is 84.44 cc. Then question number 3, a copper sheet of 10 mm thickness has temperature difference between its two ends at 20 degrees Celsius. Calculate the temperature gradient. You have to calculate the temperature gradient. Then fourth is a gas at 20 degrees Celsius is heated at constant volume till its pressure is tripled, and find its final temperature. Final temperature is 60 degrees Celsius. A gas at 20 degrees Celsius occupies a volume of 100 ml. Find the volume occupied by gas if it is heated to 50 degree by keeping pressure constant. It is 250 ml. Volume of gas is 250 ml. A gas at 30 degree Celsius is heated at constant temperature till its volume is double. Find the final temperature of gas. It is 60 degrees Celsius. A gas at 40 degrees Celsius occupies a volume of 80 ml. Find the volume occupied by gas if it is heated to 100 degrees Celsius by keeping pressure constant. It is the 200 degrees Celsius. Then next is a gas at 50 degrees Celsius is heated at constant pressure till its volume becomes 4 times. Find its final temperature. Final temperature is 200 degrees Celsius. A gas at 76 centimeter of mercury occupies a volume of 50 cc at constant temperature. If the pressure of the gas changes to 80 centimeter of mercury, find the volume occupied by gas at constant temperature. Volume is 47.5 cc. A gas occupies volume of 20 cc at 27 degrees Celsius. Find the final volume if it is heated to 67 degrees Celsius at constant pressure. 49.62. It is the answer. A metal rod heated at one end transfers the heat to the other end by conduction. Then according to Boyle's law, provided the temperature of gas remaining constant, if its pressure increases, then volume decreases. An aluminum rod of 1 m length has its two ends at 30 degrees Celsius and 40 degrees Celsius respectively. Calculate the temperature gradient. Temperature gradient is 10 degrees Celsius per meter. The electric fuse is based on the heating effect of current. Angle of incidence that causes refracted ray to bend through 90 degree, it is called as critical angle. At steady state, the amount of heat absorbed by the body is equal to the amount of heat radiated by body. At what temperature the numerical value of Fahrenheit and Celsius are same. At -40, the numerical value of Fahrenheit and Celsius are same. By filling air inside the tire, it is application of Boyle's law. Calculate the angle of refraction if the angle of incidence is 30 degree and refractive index of glass is 1.5, then angle of refraction is 48.6. Convert degree Celsius into degree Fahrenheit, 32 degree Fahrenheit. Convert 100 degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius, it is 37.8. Convert 140 degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius, it is 60 degree Celsius. Convert 363 Kelvin into degree Celsius, it is 90 degree Celsius. Convert 240 Kelvin into degree Fahrenheit, it is 130.55 degree Fahrenheit. Current voltage graph of ohmic devices is straight line graph. Example of bad conductor is all, that means wood, wool and mica. Then example of good conductor is steel, copper and silver, that means all are the example of good conductor. Then question number 20, in incidence, if angle of refraction is 30 degrees Celsius for a glass having refractive index 1.5, it is 48.6. For a given mass of gas at constant pressure, the volume is directly proportional to temperature. The nature of graph will be straight line. Heating effect of electric current is used in electric iron. Hot air balloon works on the principle of warmer air rise in cooler air. If boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius, calculate Fahrenheit, it is 237.6 degree Fahrenheit. If the area of uniform conducting metal is double, the amount of heat conducted through the rod will be double. If the diode is operated at a voltage greater than knee voltage, the resistance of a diode will be decreasing. Then question number 36. If the temperature difference for a metal rod of uniform thickness is double, the temperature gradient will be double. If the temperature gradient of conducting medium rod increases, the amount of heat flowing through it also increases. For GE diode starts to conduct at 0.7 electron volt. In case of radiation heat transfer, it is in the form of electromagnetic radiation. In the conduction and valence bond, there are equal number of electrons and holes respectively. The solids are electrically neutral. In Gay-Lussac's law, for given mass of a gas, following parameters remains constant, that means volume remains constant. In the equation, PV is equal to KT, K is called as perfect gas. In thermometer, the specific heat of material is low, for example, mercury. Increase in temperature of a body is proportional to heat. Material used in insulator are wood, mica and glass. These are the materials used in insulator. Then question number 46 is normal temperature of human body is 36.88 degrees Celsius. Find the temperature in Fahrenheit. It is 98.38. Out of the following, indicate the material with highest volume of coefficient of thermal conductivity. Silver. Specific heat of steam is 1.996 kilojoule. The angle between the incident ray and normal to the surface, it is known as angle of incidence. The coefficient of thermal conductivity is heat flow per unit time, per unit area, per unit temperature gradient. The correct statement related to thermal radiation is electromagnetic radiation. The difference between two specific heats of a gas is 1600 and their ratio is 6:1. Find Cp and Cv. Cp is 1280 and Cv is 320 respectively. The dimension of refractive index is, refractive index has no dimension. The general gas equation is PV is equal to RT. The joule per second, it is also known as watt. The length of table measured by two students are 90.5 centimeter and 90.4 centimeter. The error involved is 0.1 centimeter. Then the mathematical equation of Boyle's law is PV is equal to constant. The medium is not needed for transmission of radiation. The minimum error in current measurement between 0 to 1A is given by 0A. The necessary condition for propagation of light through optical fiber is total internal reflection. The normal temperature of human body is 98.8 degree Fahrenheit. The only way of heat transfer through solid is conduction. The SI unit of specific heat capacity is kilocalorie per kg mole degree Kelvin. The SI diode starts to conduct at 0.7 volt. The SI unit of charge is coulomb. SI unit of electric current is ampere. White clothes are preferred in summer because they are good reflected. Then temperature gradient of metal rod of thickness 40 centimeter is 3 degrees Celsius per centimeter. If one of its end is at 90 degrees Celsius, find the temperature of another end. It is minus 30 degrees Celsius. The temperature shown by thermometer is degree Celsius and degree Kelvin. Then transfer of heat by radiation without medium in electromagnetic waves. So students, these are the important questions for your exam. All the very best for your exam. Thank you.